My name is Milena Diaz, and my partner's name is Belen Contreras. We came together to make a presentation on moles and mass. In a reaction between the elements aluminum and chloride, aluminum chloride is produced. We have to balance the equation. So when you want to balance the equations, you have to make them the same. They have to have the same number of pairs. For example, in Cl2, we know we have to do it twice because there's a number. And in AlCl3, we have to do Cl 3 times. And then in the very first one, you only have Al, so you're just going to leave that one by itself. Okay, so basically what we're doing here, we're going to balance the equation all the way through to create pairs. We see some pairs, but we also need to make one more pair of ClCl to make a pair. Now we see that they all have a pair. So what we have to do, we have to count the number of times you had to repeat the same equation. So for AlCl3, we used it twice. So for Cl2, we know we used it 3 times, so that's going to be our number. So for Al, we know we used it twice, so that's going to be our number.
In problem A, we are using the balance equation we used in problem 1. So A says 2 moles of Al will react with blank moles of Cl2 to produce blank moles of AlCl3. 2 moles of Al will react with 3 moles of Cl2 to produce 2 moles of AlCl3. For problem B, it says how many grams of AlCl3 will be produced if 2.50 moles of Al react. So what's given is that we have 2.50 moles of Al. So we try to find how many grams are of AlCl.
How many grams of AlCl3 will be produced if 2.50 moles of Al react? Well, for this problem, we're going to have to use our balanced out equation that we did in problem number 1.
So we're going to start with 2.50 moles of Al, and then we're going to multiply with 2 moles of AlCl3 and divide by 2 moles of Al. What we're trying to do here is eliminate Al.
So now we have to multiply 2.50 moles of Al times 2 moles of AlCl3. When you multiply these numbers, you get 5.
So from the 5, we're going to divide by 2, and we get 2.5. So our answer is going to be 2.5 G moles of AlCl3.